No doubt I shall turn this into a burbling mess. I think I'm on about the third attempt at doing this now. But a good while ago, about 7 or so months ago, I bought these STIHL Dynamic BT Bluetooth headphones. Principally because I want to listen to my music when I'm on things like the grinder and cleaning and so on, and I can't hear the radio over the noise of those machines. So I got these. They seemed a reasonable fit. Price performance wise, they seemed about right. There were more expensive versions, which looked like they had slightly different designs, might be a bit softer or something on the side of your head, but I plumbed for these and I still really rate them. After about half a year, or just over half a year's use, I said I'd review them again, principally because of these ports here and whether or not they would allow metal filings and dust into them and become clogged up with that. I've done nothing to protect these. At the end of each day they just get discarded on the workbench and left. I charge them about once a fortnight and they seem to work with that with almost daily use, far exceeding what the manufacturers say the battery will go for, so that's always a nice surprise to have. And I've not discovered yet any real metal filings or dirt clogging these two ports or the microphone there. Incidentally, they work really well on the phone once you're Bluetoothed in with conversations and so on. I was a bit sceptical of that to begin with, but yeah, really rate them for that. So, like I say, after just over half a year's use and abuse, they're a bit duffed up around some of the edges, but they're working really well in an environment where I haven't sought to look after them overly, and I really rate them still after half a year, or just over half a year's use. Absolutely fantastic for their money. Still waiting for this to go, but that's because I've had other ones snap where it's just plastic in the past, but so far so good. So yeah, I'd rate them if you're looking for a pair of Bluetooth headphones for workshop environments. Really good, and the bright orange means I can find them. I was forever losing my black pair that I had before. So yeah, go get yourself a pair.